This video I'm going to share with you that the stay experience at this Saigon Hotel de Arts. I'm going to share with you that the stay experience and then the benefits for the platinum guests, the room, the facility, the club lounge and everything. So let's go to check-in this way. Before I check in, they actually sent me an email about the benefits and let's see. Can I check in the club lounge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go to check in the club lounge as a platinum guest. So the lobby here is very nice, beautiful, smell good. I'm starving. I'm here around like 4 p.m. now. The lounge is at level 27 and then, very high floor. Looks like a nice view. So let me do the check-in first. This is still an afternoon refreshment. Looks good. I will do my check-in and then we'll share with you that the happy hour later. The view here looks very nice. I remember I've been that area, it's not too bad. And then right over there downstairs is called the youth box. It looks like some place that you can have a very nice shopping. Okay, I'm going to wait for my room. I'm in love with this hotel already. They give me a very beautiful room surprise and in been a while have got no welcome amenity like this. Let me show you the room now. So this is the studio suite room. I was told that it's the largest suite room as well. It looks so cool. Every details is so nice. It's like oh wow, even the steam ironing is amazing. I have to show you something cool first. Not this one, it's this one. Ta-da! Thank you for the very warm welcome. I have been not receiving something like that for a while. Wow. I love the layout, I love the design. And then I love everything in a universal power plug right over here. Then bottles of drinking water. It's very soft, very soft. The TV looks like the painting. The framing is so cool. That's a bedside also come with this universal power plug. Then, oh my god, thank you very much. Here is the bathroom. Beautiful bathtub. I love the color. And then but just the view have to ignore a little bit. That's the youth station. Kampi, the lady in the club lounge, was saying that it's not bad to visit. And wow, it's just the decoration. And here is the latest, it's quite new, what they call Dyson hair dryer. And the plug with the safety cover, very thoughtful. And I am not sure about this shampoo. Here is a shower, rain shower and a handheld shower. Very spacious. Then another wardrobe right over here. The safes right over here, laundry bags and the umbrella, the bedroom slipper. And then here is a toilet. The toilet comes with a bidet like this, so bottom. Good luck. Wow, thank you Hôtel des Arts. Amazing, I'm very impressed. Also, Kamti told me that I should visit to try the breakfast at the main area. They have a salted coffee. I'm very looking forward with the salted coffee now. Here is the happy hour. This is what you can get in the lounge. Everything looks amazing. The staff is still preparing the item, but I'm going to do a quick video. So here is a cracker. I usually like this cracker, the sesame cracker, usually very good. The pomelo is also amazing. And here is a dessert. It's slightly similar. And for the alcohol, there are brut. There are two types of the sparkling. And then Pinot Grigio and Rosé, 3 types of beer, 2 types of red. And then let me go get a seat. I think this is a better seat. Look, or maybe this side, it looks more cool. Oh wow, that building is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna take a seat right over here. I'm going to have my evening cocktail right over here with a view of the unique traffic jam. It's quite calm. It's actually lots of greenery right over here. So 2 types of sparkling wine. So here is a menu for the wine. Rosé, red wine, white wine, And then also the menu for the cocktail: mojito, margarita, Negroni, old fashioned, whiskey sour, Long Island tea. Very impressive. This is a Skyline Elixir, orange base and berry. It tastes like a little bit like a old fashioned mixed with the Negroni. Not what I like, but yeah, at least it's a secret recipe. Yeah, someone like it bitter, you should order this one. Whee! I had an uninterrupted sleep. I slept around 2 and then I woke up around 6 without the alarm. Soundproof is very good. The bed is very nice. You can see that I actually just sleep in this corner. That pillow and that blanket is not moving at all, which means that I just slept in and just all the way until 6 in the morning. The shampoo is smell really good, very good. It smells like some European department store, like very classic fragrance. It's very nice. So let me show you the breakfast. Let's go. Okay, now I'm coming here to have the breakfast. I was told that the salted coffee is a must try. They also have the honey coffee. All this sounds good. And then lotus tea, oolong tea. So let's see the breakfast. Oh, looks good. Oh, Marmite, Vegemite. And the pastry here looks good. Then the cut fruits, all this thing. They're having a collaboration with a Thai chef. Crepe, pancake, ban chun. Oh, I like something like this. It looks something like this. It's very nice as well. I think this should be the Vietnamese station. Steamed rice, water cake rice, then grilled squid, beef looks good, and there's a noodle station. I also told that the pho is good. It's a must try. And this, wow. Okay, let's see what is this. Nothing. There's a salad station, and then it's like kimchi. Interesting. Then the pickled pineapple, very cute honeycomb. The pomelo is very nice. I would love to take more. The one I had quite a lot in the lounge. Then the sitting here is quite a lot though. And then the fresh juice. Okay, and the last one will be like a Western style breakfast. Okay, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. Looks quality looks very good. This is what you can get for the breakfast in the club lounge. The food here is slightly lesser, but it's actually a la carte. So they'll give you the menu and then you can order from the menu. Same thing. Okay, coffee machine is on minting. Oh, actually, the sourdough is really good. I love it. And the pastry. Okay, I'm going to show you what you can get for the a la carte breakfast. This is what you can get for the breakfast. Egg, then the toast, and then French toast, mango and oatmeal pancake, yogurts, then noodles soup of the day like phở, bún bò Huế, Huang style noodle, and congee. So this is where the swimming pool is. I had a very good welcome drinks right over here. I think this is one of the highest rooftop bar in how they call Saigon, I guess. What? Oh, actually, I was upstairs. I did not notice like it's a glass underneath. Oh, but it's not that. Ooh! Oh my god! I was there dancing last night. I did not know that it's a glass like this. Oh my god, that's scary. Okay. Interesting. It's funny that there's two staff that working in the pool bar early in the morning. Okay, I'm going back to my room. Here is the gym. Very, very basic. Drinking water, towel, wet tissues, bottled water. Cardio machines. Then a dumbbell up to 20 kgs. Doing my squat just now. And there's a very old school machines. And a very sexy gym. Very sexy, right? This is the changing area, locker room. Oh wow, what happened? There's one steam room right inside. 3 shower cubicle. I'm going to show you the steam room. It's quite cool. It has a very nice outdoor view and yeah, it's very clean. I'm going to check out from this lovely hotel. My stay was really good. I'm very happy to choose this stay right over here. I should stay longer because I think the price is quite similar with Sofitel. So this should be a better stay, I guess. But I'm going to change to Sofitel after checkout. I would say that the staff right over here, they are all very professional. So, the staff in the club lounge, I remember the lady Kamti, the staff in the breakfast, even though they're in this social bar in the rooftop, they are all very nice. There are quite a lot of people who drunk and party upstairs. I think the bar upstairs is quite nice. I quite like the music. The sleep quality is very good. The soundproof is very good. Just only bad thing that to stay right over here, this area is kind of like a busy area. So I remember that from my previous hotel come right over here, took me some time on the traffic jam. So with that, I hope you like this video. I hope you will stay right over here. Say hello to Kamti and say hello to maybe the rest of the staff. Remember. Okay, bye.